In this video, I'll be talking you through KESSY, or keyless entry and go. Every car in the CUPRA range is equipped with this as standard, and it is really useful. To activate it, all you need is your key and your hand. To unlock the car, all you need to do is put your hand in the handle, and you can see there I haven't pressed the button on the key, and the car is now open. To lock it, all we need to do is cover the dimple you can see here, and there we go, the car is now locked. This is equipped on the driver's door and the passenger door and the boot as well. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, feel free to hit the thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified of any future uploads from us. If there's anything else you want to see, feel free to let us know in the comments down below.